JingYi was founded in 1998, has entered the field of auto air conditioning repair, auto air conditioning retrofitting and modification, auto air conditioning parts trade, auto trade, etc. Our passenger bus air conditioners cover various areas that includes intercity bus air conditioner, coach air conditioner, minibus air conditioning, double-decker air conditioner, BRT air conditioner, shuttle bus air conditioner, independent air conditioner unit, roof mount a series bus air conditioner, etc. In 2006, we entered the research and development and manufacturing of compressors, micro-motors, heat exchangers and other core components. 2007, the Kingbo refrigeration device has officially entered the market. JingYi Rail Air Conditioning and Trolley Air Conditioning Project Operation in 2010. In 2017, JingYi Refrigerated Truck Division and JingYi Specialized Automobile were formally founded. 2019, JingYi Specialized Automobile officially qualified special purpose cars for manufacturing and began producing them. 2020, JingYi Zhaoqing National High-Tech Industrial Base is in full operation. In 2022 and future, we are dedicating ourselves to developing a new business model of cross-regional logistics and staggered seasonal sales for high-value fruits, vegetables, and meat. We will develop the entire process of cold chain preservation technology and equipment.